2009 Hyundai Genesis 4.6 liter. You guys can see it's very, very quiet. It's choked. Again? You can't even hear it. Again? Wow, it's so quiet. You can't even hear it. We're gonna change that. Stay tuned, guys. All right, guys, on this Genesis sedan, there's the cats on it. One here, one there, then two more cats there. Then we're gonna take this resonator off and replace it with an X-pipe. There'll be a link in the description for it, right there. And then we're gonna take these two rear mufflers off and replace them with straight pipes and new tips that he's got over there somewhere. We'll show you guys the tips in a second. There'll be a link for them too. Stay tuned. That's what it looks like. All right, guys, so we just finished up the Genesis coupe. So still got the converters on top, on each side, and then the secondary converters. Then we replaced the resonator with an X-pipe. Part number's right here. There'll be a link in the description. Then we replaced the rear mufflers there and there with straight pipes and finished it off with some nice tips out the back, 4-inch. There'll be a link in the description for them too. Stay tuned, guys, right there. And there's the resonator that was on it and the two mufflers that were on it that we cut off. He drove an hour to get here, so we really appreciate him coming down from Kentucky. Stay tuned. Oh, much better. Got a clean idle to it. Not bad. Go ahead. Yeah, much better. Here's sound decibels. Go ahead again. About a 110. It's really quiet on idle, which is crazy for it to be this quiet. Genesis 4.6 liter V8 sedan, naturally aspirated. Here's our beautiful shop in Nashville, Tennessee, guys. Give us a holler if you guys need anything. Let you guys hear on the inside. That sounds phenomenal. What do you guys think? Let me know.